If you're a content creator that wants a green screen and has a lot of fan noises in the background that they want to remove, well, I'm going to show you how to do it for free via Nvidia. Okay, to get Nvidia noise removal and the green screen, I simply googled Nvidia audio effects and clicked on the first one, and then you scroll down. And for the noise removal, you just want to go to audio effects, find whichever graphics card you have. I have a 3070, so I found the 30 series and I just downloaded that. This is video effects for the green screen, and here you can see what it's compatible with. So this is using Nvidia noise removal right now, and then I'm just going to switch it off and you can hear all the fan noise going crazy. It cuts everything out and just focuses on your voice. So if you're not using this, you're making a mistake.